Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a sweater that keeps the man in your life warm, but also makes him look good enough to show off to your family and friends? Then you're going to love this sweater from AIOPESON. This sweater is soft and comfy, stylish, and fits like a glove. I love the timeless design in the front. The colors are bright and they show no signs of fading. It fits my brother so well. He's got broad shoulders and long arms, and sometimes it's hard to find clothes that fit him good. This sweater fits his shoulders well enough that he has room to maneuver and it doesn't feel tight, but it's not so loose that it looks frumpy. The sleeves fit him very well whether he wears it down to his wrist or he wants to pull them up a little. This comes in different colors and we chose the green, but I'd love to get this in all the colors as well. All of the stitching and zippers are very durable, and I know that this sweater is going to last him for years. It's also very versatile. You could wear this on date night or to work, or even pair it with a tie and wear it to Bible study. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, versatile, and timeless sweater for the man in your life, then look no further than this beautiful sweater from AIOPESON. And that's my point of view.